If your 2016 Kia Optima key fob isn't working, the most common issue is a dead battery. The CR2032 battery typically lasts 2 to 5 years. Replace the battery carefully to avoid damaging internal components and ensure the new battery voltage is greater than 2.5 volts. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, reprogramming might be needed due to signal interference or module glitches. Try cycling the vehicle's ignition and pressing the fob buttons in sequence, or use an affordable Autel scanner for home reprogramming. If still not working, the keyless entry antenna in the BCM or door modules may be faulty. When basic fixes like battery replacement and reprogramming don't work, the issue might be with the antenna or body control module. Kia certified shops can diagnose wiring problems or corrosion for $100 to $300, and this may be covered under extended warranties. In workshop examples, about 10% of key fob failures were related to antenna wiring. Looking ahead, Kia is moving towards digital keys through the Kia Connect app, which reduces the need for physical fobs. More than 70% of new Kia models now support NFC-based smartphone keys, and retrofits are available for 2016 Optimas for $50 to $200. Cybersecurity is also being enhanced with encrypted signals to protect against relay attacks, which are a growing concern for older models like the 2016 Optima.